Hello everyone, you're welcome back again. We're going to solve for the value of x from this exponential equation. We're given that 4 raised to the power of 3x multiplied by 5 raised to the power of 2x is equal to 256. Now to solve for the value of x from this equation, the first thing we need to do, this 4 raised to the power of 3x can also be written as what 4 raised to the power of 3, then all to the power of x, then multiplied by 5 to the power of 2x is the same as 5 raised to the power of 2, then all raised to the power of x, then everything is equal to 256. So the next thing we're going to do, as you can see, we have 4 raised to the power of 3, and 4 raised to the power of 3 imply 4 multiplied by 4 in 3 places, which is going to give us 64, then raised to the power of x, then multiplied by 5 to the power of 2 is the same as 5 multiplied by 5, which is going to give us 25 raised to the power of x, which is going to be equal to 256. Now, the next thing we're going to recall is one of the property of exponent. We say that when we have x raised to the power of y multiplied by b raised to the power of y, this is the same as what? X multiplied by b all raised to the power of y. So what do you notice? The power are the same. So we can take the power out and we multiply the two terms together. So this is the property we're going to apply to the left hand side of this equation. So when we do that, this exponent, the power that is the same, we're going to take it out, then we multiply the two base together. So this is going to be 64, then multiplied by 25, then all raised to the power of x, which is going to give us, which is going to be equal to 256. So the next thing we're going to do is to work on this inside bracket. 64 multiplied by 25 is going to give us 1600 and raised to the power of x, which is equal to 256. Now what do we do from here? Now in the left hand side the base is 1600, while in the right hand side we have 256. So in this case there's no way we can make the base to be the same. So therefore we're going to take the log of both sides to the base of 10. So when we apply logarithm, so we're going to have log of 1600 raised to the power of x, which is going to be equal to log of 256. Now we're going to recall power property of logarithm. This power x is going to go back to multiply the log. So when we apply that, it's going to be what? X multiplied by log of 1600, which is going to be equal to log of 256. Now we're looking for the value of x, and log of 1600 is attached to x. So we divide both sides by log of 1600. So when we do that, we're going to have the left hand side to be divisible by log of 1600, and we also do the same thing to the right hand side, which is log of 1600. So this log of 1600 is going to cancel this log 1600. So in the left hand side we are left with just x, which is going to be equal to log of 256, then divided by log of 1600. Now the next thing we're going to do, we're not going to stop at here. We're going to simplify the right hand side of this equation into its lowest form. Now we have 256 and the term in the denominator is 1600. But we can write this 256 as 2 raised to the power of 8, which is its lowest form, the lowest base and the lowest number. So we're going to have x to be equal to log of, in place of 256, we're going to make it to be 2 raised to the power of 8, then over log of, so in place of 1600 here, we're going to make it to be what? 40 raised to the power of 2. So which is the same as 40 to power 2 imply 40 multiplied by 40, which is going to give us 1600. Now we apply power property of logarithm again by taking this power to multiply by log 2, and also we take this power to multiply by log 40. So when we apply that, we are going to have x to be equal to, so 8 log of 2, then all over, also this power is going to come back, is going to be what? 2 log of 40. Now we have 8 and 2. So 8 can divide 2, is going to give us 4, then multiply by what? Log of 2 all over log of 40. And finally, we're going to apply a property called changing of base property. So we're going to record this property that say when we have log of a over log of b. This is going to be the same as what? Log of a to the base of b. So we're going to take this a as 2, then b as 40. So written in this form is going to be the same as what? X to be equal to 4, then multiply by log of a is 2. So log of 2, then to the base of b, where b is 40. So to the base of 40. Therefore, the value of x that satisfies this exponential equation is x equal to 4 multiplied by log 2 to base 40. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this.